So I'm originally from New Jersey, from specifically West Windsor, and I go to school at Cornell, and I will be a junior this coming 2023 to 24 school year, and I'm studying math and CS. And on campus, I'm involved with Yamatai, a Japanese drumming group, and Wushu, a Chinese martial arts group. And outside of all of that, I am a plant mom. Before this internship, I barely had any experience with data science or machine learning. The first exposure that I had to any of this was in the Intro to Cognitive Science course, where it was briefly mentioned during one of the topics. And I also tried to play around with PyTorch between freshman and sophomore year, but I didn't get anywhere with that. And this led to one of the challenges with learning acronyms related to machine learning. With the acronyms and vocabulary specifically, I just researched about all of these terms, and that helped me better understand what specific tools would do. And another challenge that I faced was with regards to the command line and navigating that. And throughout this internship, I grew more comfortable with using the command line and accessing things and all that. I think one of the first accomplishments that I had was successfully walking through the leap detector recipe. And at the end, when I ran an example inference script, I was able to see the outputted images, and that was the first sense of accomplishment. Another highlight of this internship would be all the talks, tech talks, and summer reading presentations about LLMs, which helped me learn more about research in the engineering field and outside of like a standard science or biology context. And that helped me learn more about machine learning and pique my curiosity about it. From this internship, I was able to first of all get a glimpse of what an internship actually looks like, as this was my first internship. And I was able to experience an office environment and also learn more about how a startup works and all of the nitty-gritty behind-the-scenes actions. And I was also able to get a glimpse of what image processing looks like, and that made me more curious about image processing algorithms, and I hope to pursue that and learn more about that in the coming semesters.